I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet. I've already chained 15, and whatever your pattern says, for a double crochet, you chain 3 more. 1, 2, 3. That's your turning chain. So there's my 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to go back in my 15th. Notice that I yarn over, go on top of the chain, yarn over again, pull it through, and I have 3 loops. I'm going to pull through first 2 loops, yarn over, and pull through the next 2 loops. Okay, that's a double crochet. Let's try that again. All right, we're going to go through the next chain, yarn over, go through the top of that chain, yarn over, pull it through. I have 3 loops on my hook. I yarn over again, go through the first 2, yarn over again, and go through the next 2. And that's a double crochet. Let's do it again. Yarn over, go through the top of the next chain or next stitch, yarn over, pull it through, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Yarn over, through the stitch, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the next 2. You can see our pattern shaping up. And I did my chain kind of loose so you could see it, so it'd be easy visually for you to see the chain. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull it through the chain or the stitch, through 2, and through 2 more. Yarn over, go through the top of the chain, yarn over, pull it through, yarn over, pull through the first 2, yarn over, and pull through the next 2. It's a bigger stitch, so basically you have a single crochet, a half double crochet, and then a double crochet, and of course a triple crochet. So on the double crochet, it's a little bit larger than the single and the half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, go through the top of the chain, yarn over, pull it through, pull through these 2, yarn over, and pull through these 2. Okay, let me finish up. It becomes automatic over time, but if you're in a pattern, you're making a scarf and it's switching from different stitches each row, then you really do have to pay attention. It's easy to all of a sudden shift and think, oh, wait a minute, I've been doing the wrong stitch. So I kind of, when I'm doing a whole row, I'm really focused on it. I can do other things, like watch TV or have conversations, but if you're a beginning crocheter, you really have to pay attention. Even if you've crocheted for years like me, you have to pay attention to what you're doing because you want to be consistent. It's just kind of a visual of what it looks like. And I've made it a little looser. I'm using a 5.5 millimeter, but I did my chain a little looser so you could really see it. But you can see the consistency of it. And don't worry if it doesn't look good at first. If you're a beginner, it's okay. The good thing about crocheting is you can take it out. It's very forgiving. You can just unravel it and start over. I would suggest if you're a beginner, just get a skein of yarn and something acrylic and just start practicing. Start very simple until you get the consistency. I can remember when I started to crochet as a child, it was really tight and inconsistent. It'd be wide, it'd be thick, it'd be, and over time, just the more you do it, the better you get. So practice makes perfect. And we are really celebrating progress, not perfection. So this is what it looks like. This is a double crochet, and this is a whole row. Thanks, and happy crocheting.